Our admissions office has done a great job of bringing in great students. And our job in career services is to educate legal employers about the quality and promise of our students. And so in doing that, they've recognized that they should go deeper into our class because our students have better credentials than perhaps the top quarter at other law schools.
I've not had to worry to find a job. I've had incredibly helpful career services counselors who went to bat for me and helped get me in front of the recruiters at the Houston firms that I was interested in. And just as soon as they sent those emails, I had interview offers the next day. So it was just a really, really incredible experience knowing that I had someone in my corner going to bat for me. And it just proved that the Aggie Network really does matter and it really does open doors.
We're seeing an increase in the number of employers that have recognized the quality of our students and are very interested in meeting with them and recruiting them as well. We've got great students that are learning what they need to learn in terms of getting a job, applying those skill sets and getting jobs. We do stay engaged with the legal employers and the legal community. The folks in career services are folks that have been there and have done it, and we want to make sure that we help our students get there as well.
Through law school, I've learned if you rely on your classmates, the Office of Career Services, your professors, they really give you the opportunity to learn and grow from them and lift you up in support.
We encourage them to do clinics, to take externships, to complete their pro bono hours, and of course do internships. Again, not just in the summer, but during the school year, given that we're in a top-tier legal community. They will have opportunities available to them to be able to do all of that.
Every single person at this school, especially career services, they truly care and go above and beyond, I think, their regular duties to make sure that we're finding our way and doing what we want to be doing and finding the best path.